Well, one of the big things as you're scaling your company that we've found is that we have to have, regular business meetings with them to know and understand what they're trying to accomplish. Hey, we're going to open up a remote location in some of the part of the country or the world. We're trying to expand this office and grow from 10 to 50 or whatever that time period is. So as long as they're communicating with us, we can absolutely scale with them on that. Oh, we need more time, more people, more hours, more software tools. Well, as long as they're communicating that to us, we can absolutely help scale with them on that. To help them plan for that, talk about any potential gotchas that may exist. Oh, did you think about this when you're trying to open a remote office? Are you going to use a VPN, or do you want to use remote desktop, or do you want to use some kind of a cloud service like Azure? Or now it's called Entra. Do you want to do any of those types of things that may impact the business? Because if you're not thinking about all those tasks or things, and maybe your IT guy isn't aware because he's only doing desktop support, we can step in and help facilitate a lot of that from a question point of view, trying to help plan for the future, and then of course scale with the business as we are asked to.